a step finder to find a secure part of your ceiling. If you're still unsure, consider seeking assistance from a qualified professional to ensure everything is safe. Mark the exact spot where you'll insert the hook for the swing. Drill a hole into the joist at the spot you marked. Slide the anchor into the hole. If the anchor is a tight fit, gently tap it into place with a hammer. Tighten the screw with a wrench. Insert the screws through the hook's base and into the pilot hole. If it gets too tight at first, lightly tap it with a hammer to get it started, then use a wrench. Apply weight to test. Finally, attach the swing to the hook. Complete.